How are we doing, guys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. And today I'm going to be making for you a signature cocktail that I've created myself. Yes, quite proud of it. And showing you some flair moves along the way. This cocktail is called the Pandemic. And if you've seen the thumbnail, that stuff on it isn't what you think it is. So stick around until the end to find out exactly what that is. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, because a lot of people watching this, you naughty, naughty people, are watching this and you haven't subscribed. So I'd love it if you did. But you don't have to, okay? No pressure. Just if you want to, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell for notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload awesome videos. You won't be notified when I upload crap videos. But anyway, let's get straight to it. So, okay, so we need a coupe glass. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so this first move is really easy. You're picking up the glass with the back of your hand facing upwards, and then you just slide it over to the other hand, just like that. Flip it over and pop the ice in it. Here's another angle. So when you're holding it, you push your top two fingers on top of the other two, and they make sure they don't come apart. Lift your hand up, and it just slides across. Let's get that chilling over there. And then we're gonna get our tiki tin on tin. Available from the shop. Check out the link in the description below. Boom. So the trick with this one is you're going to hold onto that small shaker with your thumb and your fingers. You place the large shaker on your wrist and let it roll down your arm. As soon as it hits your bicep, it'll roll off and you can catch it. Flip it over and then scoop up a little bit of ice into that small shaker. Right, and then what you're going to do, you're going to place the ice inside the large shaker, but then you just want to hold the small shaker loosely on top of the large shaker, so it's not fully all the way in, you see. Then you hit it, let it do a full rotation and a half and land inside the large shaker. You see it goes all the way around, and I use my index finger as a guide. Boom! Whoa. So the trick with this is all about the balance and the throw. So first of all, place the bottle on your arm in this position and then try and balance it. And then you want to practice throwing that bottle directly up straight, you see? And then you bend your arm back and you put your arm in position, the bottle should just sit there. And then to take it off, you just lower your elbow and catch in your hand. We got 40 mils of vodka. Now I'm using Aristoff vodka here. They've not paid me to do this. You can use pretty much any vodka you want. Next up. So this is a really tough move, very similar to the last one in terms of how you practice it. Place the bottle onto your shoulder and find the comfortable place to catch it. And then it's just a case of throwing the bottle up straight and landing it on your shoulder. It takes a lot of practice, but once you get the idea, you should be able to get it quite often. You've got to get it up like that. This is called Jumping Goat. Now this is whiskey infused with coffee. If you don't have this, which a lot of you probably don't, you can use a coffee liqueur like Kahlua or something like that. It'll work just fine. Then we're going to put in 30 mils of milk. I'm using oat milk. You can use whole milk or any other milk that you've got. And then 20 mils of Pandan syrup. Okay, this is another balancing move. This is the one from the thumbnail. So you need to place the bottle onto your elbow, place the bottle onto your hand, and then it's a case of just balancing them there. And then whilst that's there, you can pour with the other hand or squeeze this syrup. Now, I have made this, homemade this. In the description, there's a little how-to on how to make this. But if you do want me to make a video on how to make this, just whack it in the comments box below and I'll get straight to it if you really want me to. All right, almost there. Then we're gonna need 30 mils of lemon juice. Lemon juice, lemon juice, lemon juice, lemon juice. And then finally, condensed milk. You only need about 20 mils of this. I'm just guesstimating because it's my drink. Do what I want. But that's it. Whew, ready to rock and roll. So with this one, you're holding the big shaker in a tennis grip. You're gonna scoop a little bit of ice, put it inside that big shaker, flip it over and throw it into the scoop, and then bring that scoop up, take it away and catch that shaker behind your back. Now you wanna give this a nice shake. You don't wanna go too crazy and over shake it, but a nice strong shake. Get it all mixed up. Boom. Okay, we are gonna fine strain this. Shake off the excess water. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes! Okay, now comes the other secret ingredient. This is the Garnish. All right, now what I've got here is basically just ice and sugar in a tube. You wanna just squeeze a little bit onto the bottom of the glass. And then you get what I'm calling the Pandan Biscuits. And you just, boop, you stick that onto the glass. Now how I made the Pandan Biscuits, that's also in the description below. Let's give it a shot. Now, fantastic, excuse my French, even if I do say so myself, I mean, I could drink that all day long. Fantastic. Oh, I'm gonna have another one. And then this Pandan, they've got this gooey, crumbly texture, tastes like pandan leaves. If you don't know what pandan leaves are, this is what they look like. Cool. That is the pandemic. See what I did there? Cheers. Thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think. And if you have any questions about the cocktail, whack it in the comments box below. I'd love to hear from you, hear how you're getting on. Go and follow me on Instagram, Tom Dyer, Bartender. Check me out on Facebook. Until next time,